Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss one of the important problems of trigonometry of class 10th. So to discuss this problem actually we are going to follow three methods. So I am going to discuss all the three methods in this video. So which one you feel comfortable or which one you feel easy, learn that particular method perfectly. Okay, the question is, if cosecant theta plus cot theta is equals to k, then prove that cos theta is equals to k square minus 1 divided by k square plus 1. So, whenever we see cosecant theta and cot theta, we need to remember the identity. Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equals to 1. So here cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is in the form of a square minus b square. So a square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b. So here cosecant is a and cot is b. So cosecant square theta minus cot square theta can be written as cosecant theta plus cot theta into cosecant theta minus cot theta equals to 1. Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is in the form of a square minus b square. So if we expand it, we will get a plus b into a minus b. That's why cosecant square theta minus cot square theta can be written as cosecant theta plus cot theta into cosecant theta minus cot theta. In the question, he gave cosecant theta plus cot theta value as k. So in the place of cosecant theta plus cot theta, let us substitute k times cosecant theta minus cot theta equals to 1. Now I will take k to the right side. So we will get cosecant theta minus cot theta is equals to 1 by k. K which is multiplied to the left side. If I am taking that to the right side, it will become division. So we will get 1 by k. Now this is equation number 1. What he gave in the question, that is cosecant theta plus cot theta is equals to k. This one I am taking as equation number 2. So now I will add these two equations. Cosecant theta plus cosecant theta 2 times cosecant theta minus cot theta plus cot theta, both will get cancelled, which is equals to 1 by k plus k. Now left side I am writing as it is. 2 cosecant theta is equals to 1 plus k into k square whole divided by k. Next, I will take 2 to the right side. Here it is multiplication. If we take another side, it will become division. So we will get cosecant theta is equals to 1 plus k square divided by 2k. Here in the question he is asking to show that cos theta is equals to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. Here we got 1 plus k square. Just not to having any confuse in the later steps. That's why I am writing this 1 plus k square as k square plus 1. Cosecant theta is equals to k square plus 1 divided by 2k, because 1 plus k square is exactly same as k square plus 1. So now here we got cosecant theta is equals to k square plus 1 divided by 2k. Okay, now I will draw one right angle triangle. And I am taking this as theta. So what exactly cosecant represents? Hypotenuse by opposite. So this will become hypotenuse and this will become opposite. Cosecant theta is nothing but hypotenuse by opposite. So for this is theta, this will become hypotenuse, that is k square plus 1. And opposite for theta, this is opposite, so this is 2k. Now for this triangle, we have two sides and we need to find the third side. So for easy understanding, I am representing this triangle with ABC. Okay, now we need to find the third side by using Pythagoras theorem. AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. So AC is given as k square plus 1. K square plus 1 whole square is equals to AB is given as 2k. So 2k square plus bc square as it is. Now this k square plus 1 whole square is in the form of a plus b whole square. So whereas a is k square and b is 1. So if we expand it, k square plus 1 whole square, we will get k square whole square plus 1 square plus 2 into k square into 1. A square plus b square plus 2ab is equals to 2k whole square. So this square is for 2, square is for k also. So 2 square is 4k square plus bc square. Next, k square whole square is k power 4 plus 1 square is 1 plus 2 into k square, 2k square is equals to 4k square plus bc square. Now whatever is there left side I am writing as it is, k power 4 plus 1 plus 2k square. Here right side we have 4k square. That 4k square I am taking to the left side. So plus 4k square will become minus 4k square is equals to bc square. K power 4 plus 1 plus 2k square minus 4k square minus 2k square is equals to bc square. Now this k power 4 I will write it as k square whole square, because k square whole square also same as k power 4, plus 1 I will write it as 1 square minus 2 into k square I am writing it as k square into 1, because 2 into k square into 1 also same as 2k square is equals to bc square. Now if we observe clearly, a square plus b square minus 2ab. So this LHS is in the form of a square plus b square minus 2ab, nothing but a minus b whole square, where a is k square and b is 1. A square plus b square minus 2ab. So a minus b whole square, a is nothing but k square minus b is nothing but 1. So a minus b whole square, which is equals to bc square. BC square is k square minus 1 whole square. Then what about BC, which is k square minus 1. So the value of BC is k square minus 1. This is BC. So this side is k square minus 1. Then in the question he asked to show the value of cos theta. So cos theta is equals to, cos is nothing but adjacent by hypotenuse. So this is theta and adjacent will be k square minus 1 divided by hypotenuse is k square plus 1. So hence proved cos theta is equals to k square minus 1 divided by k square plus 1. Okay, now let us check second method. So he gave cosecant theta plus cot theta is equals to k. So as usual, take the identity related to cosecant and cot. Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equals to 1. Now the identity is in the form of a square minus b square. So if we expand it, we will get it cosecant theta plus cot theta into cosecant theta minus cot theta is equals to 1. As given in the question, the value of cosecant theta plus cot theta is k. So I am substituting that k times cosecant theta minus cot theta is equals to 1. As usual, I am taking k to the right side. So we will get cosecant theta minus cot theta is equals to 1 by k. This is equation number 1. Next, the given question, cosecant theta plus cot theta is equals to k. This is equation number 2. Now I am going to do addition of these two equations. Cosecant theta plus cosecant theta 2 times cosecant theta minus cot theta plus cot theta, both will get cancelled, which is equals to 1 by k plus k. So 2 cos theta LHS as it is, sorry, cosecant theta is equals to 1 plus k into k, k square divided by k. Now I will bring 2 also to the right side. Then it will become division. So we get cosecant theta is equals to this 1 plus k square. I am writing it as k square plus 1 divided by 2. We are taking to the right side. So it will become division 2k. Cosecant theta is equals to k square plus 1 divided by 2k. Now cosecant theta and sin theta both are reciprocals to each other. So that's why cosecant theta I am writing it as 1 by sin theta. Cosecant theta is exactly equals to 1 by sin theta is equals to RHS as it is k square plus 1 divided by 2k. Now two equations again I will take. Cosecant theta minus cot theta is equals to 1 by k. Cosecant theta plus cot theta is equals to k. Now here I did addition of both the equations. Now in this case I am going to do subtract. So this plus cosecant theta will become minus cosecant theta. Then this plus cot theta is going to be minus cot theta, and here plus k will become minus k. So plus cosecant theta minus cosecant theta both will get cancelled. Minus cot theta minus 2 times cot theta is equals to 1 by k minus k. Now minus 2 cot theta is equals to 1 minus k into k square divided by k. Here actually if minus is there means we will get a little difficult in calculation part, otherwise writing the next step. So simply I will try to remove this minus. So it's very easy. 2 cot theta is equals to, here plus 1 is there, so make it minus 1. Here minus k square is there, make it k square divided by k. So 2 cot theta is equals to k square minus 1 by k. Now take 2 to the right side, and here we have cot theta. So cot theta can be written as cos theta divided by sin theta is equals to k square minus 1 by 2. We are taking to the right side, so it will become 2k. Here we got 1 by sin theta is equals to k square plus 1 by 2k. Here we got cos theta by sin theta is equals to k square minus 1 divided by 2k. Now I will divide these two results. So already I wrote first equation, second equation, so that's why I am making this as a third equation and this as fourth equation. So I will divide the fourth equation by third equation. So simply here fourth equation is cos theta by sin theta, I mean towards the left side. Cos theta by sin theta, and the third equation towards the left side is 1 by sin theta, so divided by 1 by sin theta, which is equals to fourth equation towards the right side, k square minus 1 by 2k whole divided by third equation towards the right side, k square plus 1 by 2k. Here this total numerator write as it is cos theta by sin theta into make this reciprocal. So 1 by sin theta reciprocal is sin theta by 1, which is equals to, write this total numerator as it is k square minus 1 by 2k into make this reciprocal 2k by k square plus 1. Here 2k cancel, here sin theta cancel. So we remains with cos theta by 1. Cos theta by 1 is nothing but cos theta is equals to k square minus 1 divided by k square plus 1. So cos theta value is k square minus 1 by k square plus 1, hence proved. Now let us check the third method. Okay, as usual the question is cosecant theta plus cot theta is equals to k, and prove that cos theta is k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. So till now method 1 and method 2 we are solving from here to here. Now I am going to solve this method 3 in reverse direction from here to here. So k square minus 1 divided by k square plus 1, we need to show that it is equals to cos theta. So we have k square minus 1 divided by k square plus 1. So in the question itself he gave k is equals to cosecant theta plus cot theta. So wherever I have k, I am going to substitute that. So in the place of k, cosecant theta plus cot theta whole square minus 1 whole divided by, here again k is there. So in the place of k, cosecant theta plus cot theta whole square plus 1. Now here cosecant theta plus cot theta is in the form of a plus b whole square. So if we expand it, we will get cosecant square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 cosecant theta cot theta minus 1 as it is whole divided by, here cosecant theta plus cot theta whole square, again it is also in the form of a plus b whole square. So if we expand it, cosecant square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 cosecant theta cot theta plus 1 as it is. Now what I will do, here cosecant is there, so we know cosecant is reciprocal of sine, so that's why cosecant square I am writing it as 1 by sine square theta plus, here cot square is there, so cot square is nothing but cos square by sine square, cos square theta by sine square theta plus 2 into cosecant can be written as 1 by sine theta into cot can be written as cos theta by sine theta minus 1 whole divided by, again in the denominator also cosecant square is there, so cosecant square is nothing but 1 by sine square theta plus, again cot square is nothing but cos square theta by sine square theta plus 2 into cosecant theta nothing but 1 by sine theta into cot theta nothing but cos theta by sine theta plus 1 as it is. So now if we observe clearly, here 1 by sine square theta plus cos square theta by sine square theta, here sine square theta, here also sine square theta plus 2 into 1 by sine theta into cos theta by sine theta, sine theta into sine theta, sine square theta. So here the denominator is sine square theta, here also denominator sine square theta, here also denominator sine square theta. Here denominator sine square theta, here denominator sine square theta, here also sine into sine square theta. So first term, second term, third term, all the three terms are having the same denominator sine square theta. First term, second term and third term, all the three terms are having the same denominator sine square theta. So all the three terms are having the same denominator, that's why I will add the numerators, that we will get 1 plus cos square theta plus 2 cos theta, 1 plus cos square theta plus 2 cos theta. In the total numerator part, we have sine square theta denominator, sine square theta. So all the denominators are same, that's why we will add the numerators. So we got it as 1 plus cos square theta plus 2 cos theta. Here one extra minus 1 is there, so that as it is whole divided by, in the denominator also same, all the denominators are equal, so sine square theta as it is, adding all the numerators 1 plus cos square theta plus 2 cos theta, and in the denominator part extra plus 1 is there, so I am writing that as it is. So now if we observe clearly, here only this part doesn't have denominator, this part doesn't have denominator, so I will do multiplication of it. 1 plus cos square theta, it's not sufficient, I'll write down 1 plus cos square theta plus 2 cos theta minus sin square theta into 1 sin square theta whole divided by sin square theta. Again whole divided by 1 plus cos square theta plus 2 cos theta plus sin square theta into 1 sin square theta whole divided by sin square theta. Here sin square theta both will get cancelled. So we remains with 1 plus cos square theta plus cos theta minus sin square theta divided by 1 plus cos square theta plus 2 cos theta plus sin square theta. I am writing this step here. 1 plus cos square theta 1 plus cos square theta plus 2 cos theta minus sin square theta whole divided by 1 plus cos square theta plus 2 cos theta plus sin square theta. Okay, now if we observe 1 minus sin square theta, 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. So cos square theta plus remaining two terms cos square theta plus 2 cos theta whole divided by 1 as it is plus cos square theta plus sin square theta 1 plus third term as it is 2 cos theta. Okay, now if we observe the numerator cos square theta plus cos square theta 2 cos square theta plus third term 2 cos theta whole divided by 1 plus 1 2 plus 2 cos theta. Now in the numerator first term is 2 cos square theta, here 2 cos theta. So from these two terms I will take 2 cos theta common. Here 2 cos square theta is there, already 2 cos theta completed, so remains with cos theta plus 2 cos theta is there, total 2 cos theta we wrote outside, so 1 whole divided by from the denominator 2 plus 2 cos theta I am taking 2 common, so here 2 completed remains with 1 plus from 2 cos theta 2 completed, so remains with cos theta. If we observe the numerator denominator here cos theta plus 1 1 plus cos theta both are same, so cancel it, we will remains with, and here 2 cancel, so remains with cos theta, hence proved. Till now if you didn't subscribe to my channel, subscribe for more videos. Thank you.